happy baby pose, right? This pose, you can slowly try to bring your knees towards your chest. You want to get that very slowly. And then you can grab your hands either on the outer edge of your feet, or side of your feet, or if you can't reach all the way there, you can grab on your ankles. But the idea is to bring your knees as close to your armpit as you can, and try to flat your back against the mat, right? So this is a great way to really create some extension there, some beautiful stretch of your back. And happy baby is a great way, right, to finish the class, right, on a good note, and also remind ourselves that y'all have been babies before. So when I get in this pose, I usually ask people to just move around a little bit, right? Think about babies. Babies know how to stretch, right? Sometimes you're born already knowing what to do to feel good in life, and then you grow up and you forget about it. And that's why we come to yoga, to remind ourselves, right? To be like happy babies, be child again, right? And this is a great pose also once you get here, to create this like a lion breath, right? So you're gonna move the muscles on your face, open your mouth, stick your tongue out, and then let it out, go and yes. And then again, this is a great pose to anytime you feel a little stiff on your back, right? So kind of move around. And when you're ready to come out, just kind of release your hands, and then slowly maybe come to the Shavasana pose, or do any other pose that feels good to you.